Alright, I'm back, everybody. I got some typical run-of-the-mill grocery store shrimp. About 2 pounds. They call them XLs, but they're 21.25s. But we are going to make them awesome. With what? That's right, it's back. It's back. I've been on a MSG kick. I've been denied it this many years. So we are going to make some awesome shrimp. And as always, guys, you want to keep your shrimp, or any seafood for that matter, fully submerged while you're letting them thaw out. It actually decreases the time, decreases the time it takes for them to thaw out. And it also keeps them from oxidizing because it keeps the oxygen off of them. And when the seafood oxidizes, it has that ammonia taste, that ammonia smell. It's when it starts to go bad. And you definitely don't want that. All right, we're going to go inside. I'm going to get them peeled up and skewered up. All right, just that quick. Got them all thawed out. Now, we are about to use the magic of time lapse to get these peeled up and skewered up. Be right back. Got them all skewered up. Going to use some of my special oil mix here. Give them a little rub down. If you wonder why I don't use a lot of butter, it's because I am lactose intolerant. But basically what you're doing when you add this, you're just adding fat. So let's go. Got that done up, and now it's the star of the show. Got my salt MSG mix. These are in manufacturing right now as we speak. I'm going to give them a nice healthy coating. Got all that mixed right here. Let's go. One side done. On to the next. Let that soak in just for a little bit. We're on for the fun part. Off to the grill. Grill's nice and hot. Let's go for it. And while these cook up, still want to talk about the product that I'm going to be offering. It is a mixture of fine salts and fine MSG to give whatever you're cooking that beautiful, gorgeous umami taste. I fell in love with it instantly. Everything just tastes like, if you're wondering what the restaurant secret is, there it is right there. just like that, it's so easy. You're gonna have some of the most gorgeous tasting shrimp you've had right in your own backyard. If you were looking for that secret that's just gonna put your food just over the top, that's the secret. And I definitely, in my dream, want to bring that secret straight to you. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm approaching 1 million total channel views. Thank you so much. And we are just going to leave that sound. Listen to it. Thank you so much.